Hi ladies! Okay, so today I've literally got the most amazing news for you guys. So last video you saw was of me testing and I got the flashing smiley and I was like, oh my god, this is so amazing. So, it's a flashing smiley! I haven't seen one of these in ages. It caught me off guard. There she is, look, yay! So that video was taken, I think, on the 16th of January. On the 17th of January, I will show you what I got, and I did film it, so I'll insert the clip right here. Oh, look at that. Yay! These ones are looking pretty faint though. I'd say the only one that was looking half good would be this one. Yay! So here it is. There she is, yay! So this is what I wanted to ask you guys, because I had this on the 17th and it's now the 19th and I'm still getting strong lines. This is like one of the strongest lines I've ever seen. Look at that. Look at how strong that line is. So my symptoms for the ovulation was like breast pain, cramps. Oh, hiya. Say hi, Liz. You get a wave. That's a funny wave. Don't take it off, don't take it off. So my question to you guys really is, why are my tests still really dark? Because it's been like 2 days now and normally I've ovulated by now and all my symptoms have gone, like the cramps, the breast pain, the backache, like everything. It's like completely gone now, so I don't really know what's going on. So please let me know down in the comments if you guys know what's going on, because I literally have no idea, guys. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to me for free to follow my journey. We've just hit 28,000 subscribers now, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for all of my new subscribers and my old ones who have been here all the way, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, ladies.